Good morning, students. Welcome to the session of virtual classes. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and studying well at your home. Students, today I Renu Tyagi, your computer teacher, going to continue lesson number 5. Our today's topic is modifying data. Modifying means to change after creating the documents. Means to make changes after creating the document. मीन्स कि जब हम एक बार डॉक्यूमेंट क्रिएट कर लेते हैं उसके बाद जो हम चेंजेस करते हैं उनको हम मॉडिफाई करना कहते हैं. कट, कॉपी एंड पेस्ट कमांड्स आर used to modify the data or document. मीन्स इन कमांड्स का यूज होता है डॉक्यूमेंट को मॉडिफाई करने के लिए. Now we have to learn how to move data from one cell to another cell. Steps to move the move or copy the cells are. Students, first of all we have to select the cell. What we have to do? Select the cells to move और कॉपी. मीन्स अगर कॉपी करना है तो कॉपी करने के लिए और उसको मूव शिफ्ट करना है तो शिफ्ट करने के लिए. आफ्टर दैट go to the home tab. In the home tab find out where is clipboard group. In this group we have to find the what? Cut or copy command. अगर आपको कट करना है मीन्स अगर आपको मूव करना है कंटेंट देन यू विल सेलेक्ट द कट कमांड, और अगर कॉपी करना है इन दैट केस यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट द कॉपी कमांड. After selecting the command, now click on the cell where we want to paste the information. Means click the cell, or place we can also say where we want to paste the information. We want to paste, and after it again we have to go to the home tab and there find out the clipboard group. In this group click on paste command, then cut or copied content will be pasted at the desired place. See once again the steps in your book so it will be more clear. Have a look here. You have to select the cell which you want to move or copy. आपको मूव करना है तो भी ये स्टेप फॉलो करने हैं और कॉपी करना है तो भी यही स्टेप्स आपको फॉलो करने हैं. ठीक है. Select the cell. After it you have to go to the home tab. Students, this is the home tab here, and in the home tab find out the clipboard group. This is the clipboard group, and here you have to find the copy if you want to make the copy of the selected content, or if you want to cut the means cut the content or want to move the content, in that case you have to click on cut. समझ रहे हैं? कट आपको शिफ्ट करने के लिए यूज़ करना है और कॉपी आपको उसकी डुप्लीकेट कॉपी बनाने के लिए यूज़ करना है. सो सेलेक्ट एनी वन कमांड फ्रॉम हेयर विच यू वांट टू अप्लाई. After this, what you have to do, you have to select the place where you want to see it. Suppose I want to see the content here, so I have to select this place. After selecting this place, again we have to go to the home tab. In clipboard group, click on the click on the paste command here. See, this is means home tab, clipboard group, and click on the paste command. Selected content will be pasted at the desired place. Students, now we have to learn how to set the column width and row height. First of all, I want to tell you what is the default column width. Here default column width is 8.43 characters and default row height is 15 points, right? And we can change the column width. Column width can be changed from 0 to 255, whereas row height can be changed from 0 to 409 points. Okay, now learn the steps to change the width and row height. Steps to change the width or row height are, first of all students, we have to select the column or row which we want to change. Okay, so select the column or row, जिसको भी आपको चेंज करना है आप उसको select कर लीजिए. After it, go to the home tab. There in the cells group, we have to select the format command. Which command? Format command we have to select in cells group. Now select the column width or row height, any one option where we want to make change. Okay, that we have to select any one. After selecting this, a column width or row height dialog box appear. Now type the value of the column or row in the appeared dialog box. मीन्स जिसका भी डायलॉग बॉक्स अपीयर हुआ है, अगर हमने कॉलम सेलेक्ट कर किया था तो कॉलम का डायलॉग बॉक्स अपीयर होगा, और अगर हमने रो सेलेक्ट किया था तो रो का डायलॉग बॉक्स अपीयर होगा। उसमें हमें वैल्यू टाइप करनी है, ठीक है। आफ्टर टाइपिंग द वैल्यू क्लिक ओके बटन, then all changes will appear on this cell. Clear? Students, same steps can be seen in your book also. You have to go to the home tab beta. In the home tab, find out the cells group. This is the cells group. In cells group, we have to click on the format command. This is the format command. As we click on the format command, this list appears in front of us. Okay. From this list, we have to select the row height or column width. Means either you can select the row height or column width, select any one. And according to our selection, dialog box appears on the screen. This is the row height dialog box and this is the column width dialog box. In the appear dialog box, we have to write the value. This is the place where we have to write the value. After writing value here, you have to click on the OK button. Then changes will appear in the sheet. Now next topic is automatically fit column or row content. बेटा अगर हम चाहते हैं कि जो भी कंटेंट हमने सेल के अंदर लिखा है अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट कंटेंट सेल रो सेल हाइट और विड्थ ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज्ड हो जाए, फॉर दैट वी हैव टू फॉलो दीज स्टेप्स. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज here we have to click on the select all button. This is the select all button, and now double click any boundary between two columns or row headings. These are the column row headings. Here you can double click, or these are the columns heading. Here you can double click. Now all columns or rows in the entire worksheet will be changed to the new size. समझ आया कैसे? देखो फिर एक बार देखिए. सपोज करो मैंने ये इन दो सेल्स के अंदर ये मेरा कंटेंट लिखा हुआ है, मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये एक में ही फिट हो जाए, मुझे नहीं चाहिए दूसरा कॉलम. इसके लिए मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे यहाँ पर इस बटन पर क्लिक करना है. आफ्टर क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस बटन एंटायर शीट विल बी सिलेक्टेड, पूरी शीट सिलेक्ट हो जाएगी. इसके बाद मुझे क्योंकि इसको चेंज करना है तो मैं यहाँ पर क्लिक करूँगी, ठीक है. यहाँ पर as I click here, all columns or rows of entire worksheet means जहाँ भी मैंने अगर रो कॉलम पे क्लिक किया है तो सारे कॉलम, और अगर रो पर क्लिक किया है तो सारी रोज जो है, सभी रोज जो हैं वो ऑटोमेटिकली जो है चेंज्ड हो जाएंगी न्यू साइज में. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज इंसर्टिंग रोज एंड कॉलम्स. rows or columns means if after creating the worksheet we feel requirement of any row or column, we can insert this. Okay, how to insert the row or column? We have to follow some steps to insert rows. First of all, click and select the row heading where we want to insert a new row. So, click and select row heading where we want to insert the new row. After it, go to the home tab and select their insert command. As we click on insert command, one list appears on the screen. Okay, from that list we have to click on insert sheet row. So now click on insert sheet row As we click here, new row will be inserted on the sheet. Students, these are the steps to insert the row. You can see same steps in your book. But first of all, you have to select the place where you want to insert the new row. This is the place where we want to insert the new row. After it, go to the home tab, and in the home tab you have to click on insert command. This is the insert command. As you click here, this list appear. From this list you have to click on insert sheet rows. As you click here, new row will be inserted like this. This is our today's class, and now see what you have to do in your notebook. Tick the correct, true, false. Fill in the blanks. These 3 questions you have to do in your notebook. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.